right angle. What's the smallest amount of trash bags we can buy?
Yeah, I do not. No, that I know.
Probably 20.
Birds only go, I think the highest that they go is 56.
I think 100, right?
Maybe. I never bought a box that large. And then we need a pair of goggles and some duct tape just to seal the seams around this suit.
So how long do you think it's gonna take?
Maybe an hour and a half tops, because it's just cutting it off. I have to wet it down with, the longest part is going to be wetting it down with the hose, and you can come down there in that time. I brought 2 masks. So
You can get sick from being around that stuff.
you can only get sick when I cut into it.
Cut into it?
Yeah, once I cut into it, you need to go upstairs.
I didn't even see it.
I'll show you exactly what it looks like, but you know, we're putting it in bags, and then I crisscross the bags so that when the trash man pick it up and throw the bag doesn't split wide open on you. You know, that'd be the last thing we want to come out, especially when it dries out. You keep it wet, it keeps it down. When you wet the asbestos down and remove it, it's called asbestos abatement.
That's 100 points.
What do you think about that, man? Think about that, them selling out of masks and respirators overnight, bro. People think they're gonna be able to stop the virus with a respirator mask. They really, they don't have to obey it. Kid's got a little colorful with this suit. What it takes.
We're going to go ahead and remove this asbestos on these pipes, and we're going to stick it in some double line trash bags, and then we're going to wet it down first, slice it off the pipe, stuff it in some trash bags, wrap it up real good. It's called asbestos abatement, and so that's what we got going on tonight. Get rid of this asbestos in here. It'll also be a heat source for the basement.